Here we have Mavitec's TTX front lower ball joint TXMS25511 for the 2006 to 2017 Jeep Compass and Patriot, as well as the 2008 to 2017 Mitsubishi sedans and SUVs. It's engineered with a number of patented technologies, including the self-lubricating greaseable patented Sintered dynamic control bearing, the patented locking dust boot, Repel-TEK anti-corrosion formulation, and most notably, an innovative and more reliable retention method. Another unique feature is the swivel plate. This plate creates a strong seal against the steering knuckle for contaminant protection and, more importantly, allows the stud to rotate independently of the dust boot. Here we can see even at extreme swing angles, the dust boot does not get pinched as the stud rotates. This eliminates the potential of tearing and improves part service life. Before we install the TTX ball joint, let's take a look at the OEM arm and what makes this ball joint replacement a tad different from your usual one. When we take a closer look, we can see that the original ball joint is actually crimped into the bore. This is essentially the primary retention method. This may be fine out of the factory, but can present a challenge when we go to install a replacement ball joint. Let's press out the original ball joint. We can now see the housing groove, which the control arm gets crimped onto. Another challenge is the comparatively thin stamped steel construction of the original arm. We can see as we pressed out the original ball joint in combination with having to overcome the crimps, the bore has become somewhat distorted. Before we press in the new ball joint, let's take a moment to clean off any rust, grime, or other contaminants. We should also inspect the control arm body for any cracks or damage. Do not reuse the body if these are found. An important difference to note is the press-in direction. The old ball joint is pressed out from the bottom. The new ball joint will press in from the top, indicated by the flange location. Let's press in the new TTX ball joint. Once done, it's good practice to check that it's properly seated onto the body. We can then proceed to tighten the retention nut. A thread locking compound has been pre-applied to the housing threads for additional retention force. Make sure to follow the supplied torque value of 184 foot-pound or 250 Newton-meter and only use a properly calibrated torque wrench, not an impact gun. To finish installation of the ball joint, fasten on the grease fitting. For a complete install, Mavitec TTX TXMS25511 also includes a new Repel-TEK coated control arm to steering knuckle pinch bolt and nut.